Housekeeping!
Now.
Get down! Boss! Get on the ground! Boss, buddy!
Today's footage comes out of Jacksonville, Florida, and it's one that raises serious questions about the use of force. The suspect you're about to see is Maurice Wiggum, 41 years old. Back in March of 2021, deputies with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office tracked him to a Red Roof Inn as part of a robbery investigation. We were able to get our hands on the unredacted body cam footage. Welcome to Incident on Record. Let's get into it.
Sarge, ask that female if she knows who's next door to her. She's walking to you.
He just told me to come this way.
Okay.
Sorry.
Which room are you in?
246.
246. Is there
Yes.
anybody in the room beside you?
Yes, sir. She's supposed to be coming out, though.
She is?
Yes, sir.
What's her name?
I'm really not sure. It's my friend of mine's girlfriend. I'm not sure what her name is, honestly.
Okay.
I just picked him up from down the other motel. So,
Okay. Who's your friend?
John.
John?
Yeah. John McNutt. He's outside. I'm not sure what her name is.
John's down here?
Yes, sir. He's out back. What was it? Let me think. What was his girlfriend's name? Okay, if you say her name, I'll tell you if it's her or not.
They're saying the girl's in that.
With
The guy
glasses?
named John McNutt. John, a white or black guy?
White guy.
White guy?
Yeah. It's a girl with glasses.
What's John look like?
No, white guy.
In 244?
No, 246.
Oh,
246.
I don't care
I
about
thought you said you were in
246.
246.
I'm in 246. That's what I just said.
Yeah, we don't care
No,
about
no, we're not talking about 246, the one beside you.
Oh, I don't know beside me. I thought you said,
Have
is
you
there
heard
anybody
anybody
in
in
my
there?
room? I ain't
You
really
seen
noticed.
anybody?
You're talking about on this side or the other side?
That side.
That side of you.
Right next to you.
Not today, I haven't.
Yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. A black guy, black girl.
What the black guy look like? I mean, that bald head, kind of tall and fast.
Tall.
Thick?
Not
Bald?
one I seen. Yeah. He had a hat on though. Yes, ma'am.
Do you know where they're driving? Were they driving at all?
I don't know. I really didn't pay that much attention.
Good.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Hey, so I'll knock and back out.
She doesn't know the people that are in 244. So go ahead.
Hey, I'm going to knock and then back out.
Why don't you
I'm
let them
gonna
knock?
And then I'm going to back out. And then you... You ready, Sergeant?
You want me to go?
I'm going to knock and then we'll back out some, just so
All
I
right.
have backup. There might be a female in there. I'm knocking and then back out. I'm going to wait a few and then I'll open it. But the phones aren't working. Housekeeping! The keys! Yeah, that's it. Hey! Wait, there might be somebody else. Sheriff's office, ma'am, I need you to come out to me. We got a dog, you'll be bit. Ma'am, come out to me. Show me your hand.
Come out now.
Come out to me.
I don't have on the clothes.
That's
Come
okay.
out now. That's fine.
Who else is in there?
Come out now. Come out now.
Anybody else in there with you? Alright, but just one more. Alright, he's the only one in there. Can I get my clothes?
Yeah, just a second.
Hey! What's happening? What is happening?
Hey, stop. Jimmy's in close.
What's happening? Don't turn
A warrant for his arrest.
A warrant?
Yes. Robbery.
A robbery?
Have a seat.
Sit.
Have a seat.
Hey, you better put your hands on me out! Pop the door! Pop him out! Will you let him out? Let him out! Please let him out! Let us, buddy!
Walk to me. Walk to me. Walk to me. You walk to me. Walk to me. Good
lift 1077, lift 1033, one in custody.
Dog
Room
off.
244.
You guys have to take him that way.
Oh God! I just let this dog bite him up like this. Can I get up now?
Yeah, you can stand up. 1
God, I
second.
can't believe this. Kill me, please. Oh my God!
Can you walk?
I cannot believe this. Y'all just let that dog get on him like that.
What did I do?
HQ
You need
765.
to stand up.
Rescue 1067, reference signal 19.
You need
1077. Right
Maurice.
now, about
Ma'am.
Why can't you
30
stand
years
up?
away.
The dog was biting his foot.
Take him in for
Sarge, can you get her back, please?
I'm coming back. I'll pick him up.
Good boy.
I cannot believe y'all just let that f***ing dog go on him like that.
All right, here's the deal, man.
What?
I'm gonna stand you up, okay?
In my hand.
I'm got hold of you and you're not free to go anywhere.
Okay, but
Do you want to have a seat?
I gotta
Okay.
arrive in
Well, then I tell you what.
Louisiana.
Have a seat then.
Okay, okay. I'm just loading up.
Why'd you tell us there was nobody else in the room if there was somebody else in the
I
room?
never
with you?
said that. You said this is somebody else in there. I said yes. I said yes. It's one more person in there.
Come by.
I never said it was nobody else in there. Are you serious? I cannot even believe this.
That's what it sounded like to me.
I didn't lie to you. I told him.
What did I do?
Looks like a minute.
Thanks, you back there.
Yeah, there's people that way. You want to go back this way?
Nope.
Back this way.
Go to the right. Go to the right. Jack, aren't you over here? Yeah. Keep him here. I'm gonna get my car.
Sound
I'm
good.
gonna pull right here.
All right.
What did I do, sir? I'm gonna talk to you about that in a few minutes.
Why'd you keep shutting the door on me?
Well, I don't even know what y'all did. Come fucking with me, bro. Y'all just shot my son. Killed my son.
You just walked out, then this what happened.
Man, y'all don't have to send the dog in. I said I was coming out. She heard me.
No. You slammed the door on me twice.
I said, and then
And I even said who I was.
And I said-
it was no secret that I was Jacksonville Sheriff's Office.
I said I'm coming
I
out.
said it several times. And I know you heard me. I know you saw my face because you slammed it in my face.
Go on, man.
Oh, Mom, I'm late for work. I go on. I skipped it up.
Where you need to go?
Let's go around, man.
Quick.
Hurry up.
We gotta rest you. Come and look at your foot and stuff, okay?
That dog said my head.
Go around.
Hey, here's how we're gonna do this. When we get you to the car, I want your back on my car and you facing me, okay? And then you're gonna slide in and your back's gonna touch that door. Hold on. Stop it off.
What did I do?
We're gonna talk to the detective about that. I'm good over here. You good? Yeah, sure. I'm getting my phone over here.
What are you gonna do with that balloon?
You open that one a little bit? You're good. All right, remember what I said. Face me. Turn around and face me. Slide back. Hey, grab another pair of handcuffs, please. No, I'll get these back.
Look at my foot,
I got
man.
plenty of handcuffs.
Yeah, they're coming to look at you. Slide in.
How'd you know we were arrested? Some kind of policy?
I heard you all 35
All right. I'm gonna roll my windows down. If you need anything, let me know, okay?
Dude.
I can't mute. No.
Right, right.
You good?
Yep, good.
The lady specifically.
Right.
Can I put on some clothes now?
Not anybody else in there.
It's not nobody. It was just
Hold
me
on.
and him. I told him that. I can't believe this is happening to me.
Who is he to you?
That is my husband.
That's your husband?
That's my husband.
Okay. Well, he's going to jail today for robbery.
What? Who? Rob what?
He's got a warrant for his arrest for robbery.
I can't even.
What's your name?
Tawana what?
Myrick.
Myra?
Yes. Oh my God.
How long y'all been staying here?
Not that long.
Not that long.
Yeah, not that long. We was over there on, I can't even think right now. Oh God. We was on the other end of Clay County. We was over there in Clay County.
Okay.
And then we came over here. Oh God. Can I get, is there any way I could put on my clothes and
Give us just a bit. We'll tell you when we can let you go back in there.
I'll let you know.
oh my God. You saying I lied to you? I did not lie to you. When that lady asked me who else was in there, I told her it was one more person in there.
Okay, it sounded to me like you said there was nobody else
I
in there.
never told you that. It was,
Okay.
he answered the door. So how can I say that? A man answered the door. I can't even read it.
Came up and shoved the door shut. I know that.
Who, me?
No.
Oh,
The
okay.
guy when he came up to the door.
Okay,
Do you know why he would do that?
y'all the police. You know what happened? The police just shot and killed my son 35 times. Shot and killed my baby. He was only 18.
Who's your baby?
My son, Devon Gregory Tillman, shot and killed him 35 times. I'm scared of y'all. Y'all supposed to serve and protect us. And after y'all shot him 35 times, guess what? Y'all let the dog go on him. The dog tore and ripped holes all in my baby after he was dead.
Yeah, you're right. Nobody should have to go through that.
And nobody is have to go through that. Is he alright? I won't be able to talk to him.
Do what?
Can I talk to him? I won't be able to talk to him.
No, ma'am.
Is he alright?
It's fine.
We'll
Is
go
he
that route.
big?
Let me get some clothes for you because you can't come in. So, tell me where your clothes are at, and I'll grab it.
Okay, let me think.
Come here. Stand up. Walk to the door and show her. You don't walk inside, but
I'm
you
not
can tell.
gonna go inside.
Okay, come on.
I just have some pants right there on the floor. Some pants and some socks.
So, alright.
I told you I'm not gonna go in.
Hey, tell him to take it. Alright, stay right there. So just keep on holding. Sorry, zero real close, so just hold her.
Do what?
I don't, zero real close. So just make sure she doesn't cross this threshold.
I'm not gonna go in there, ma'am. I don't want no problems with y'all.
Alright, so get you some shoes.
Look, my shoes is right here. You see? You see them shoes right there? I just got here yesterday, so I don't even really...
How do you know this guy?
That's my husband.
It's your husband?
You're like
Yes,
legally
we-
married to him?
Yes, we've been going through it, and he put me out like 2 weeks ago. So I just came back last night. It was late last night I came back. And
What county were y'all married in?
here,
In Duval? Or Clay?
we was married in Duval County.
Okay.
What are y'all looking for? What did he rob? Can y'all... Can you pass me those cigarettes there, ma'am? It's a pack of Newports, thank you.
All right.
We got married in Duval County.
Okay.
I don't want no problems with y'all. I'm scared of y'all. I can't.
I'm gonna put together a search warrant.
Okay.
I just need an officer to stand by here and make sure nobody goes in.
All right.
It's probably a lighter. It's probably one on the bathroom floor. Yes, that'll work.
Center Julia 1.88 in progress. 669 Lafayette Avenue.
I'm gonna stand right here. I don't want no problem with y'all. Y'all just shot and killed my son. November the 17th. Devon Tillman Gregory. Police officers shot and killed my 18-year-old son 35 times.
I don't remember that one.
You don't remember that? Nobody? It's a high-profile case.
I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, y'all don't do things like that after y'all people kill people. Y'all don't look into it.
No, ma'am.
Y'all don't listen to it later.
I don't pay attention to a lot of cases.
Oh, okay.
If it doesn't come across
It was across the news.
I don't listen. It's not something that we do.
Radio news, people.
Lima Sierra Romeo 4 for the Gold Equinox.
All right. You got to secure your room. Deck Morgan. I wouldn't close it all the way, but
In 2023, Wiggum filed a federal lawsuit against the officers involved, alleging excessive force and serious injuries, including a fractured foot. And, in a major twist, he was ultimately cleared of the robbery that led to that encounter in the first place. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.